In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open the Wallets application. So go and look for that, then click on it. Once you do so, let me just go and enable that, sure. You'll have to go and click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, just wait, here, you'll have to go and add your card. So you can either try to apply for Apple Card, or simply add your debit card or credit card, or transit card, driver license, whatever you want, whatever card you want to add. Since we want to set up an Apple Pay, we would like to add the debit card or just an Apple card. I don't know. I'm just going to add the debit card here. So go and click on continue. And basically, you can hold it near your card. This will let you or will make the card added automatically to your phone without having to enter, for example, the card details manually. If your card somehow doesn't support NFC, you'll have to click on enter card details manually and simply just go and add everything manually. You can also scan with camera if you want to. Click on scan with your camera and you'll be able to scan your card. So once you do so, it will be added, and once it's added, the Apple Pay, as an example, so add cards to Apple Pay to send money to friends and make secure payments and apps on the web and in stores using NFC. So basically, once you add your credit card, Apple Pay will be set up automatically. You can go, as an example, now to your settings, and as an example in here, you just go click on back to go back to the settings. And here, an example in settings, we can go to scroll down a little bit until we find, as an example, where is it? Here is it, Wallets and Apple Pay. And from here, as an example, you'll be able to set your default card if you have a lot of cards. So, an example for me, I'll be able to click on add card to add a new card. But for you, if you have multiple cards, just go and select one and select as default. So you can also turn on the double click side button for quick access. As an example, this option, allow access when locked. So double click home button, which will get the cards or passes ready from the lock screen by double clicking on the home button. And this will basically you don't even have to open your phone, double click, and you'll be able to pay with your phone. Of course, using Apple Pay. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.